Who's that? Is that Miranda? Is that you? What are you eating down there?
She's eating her cereal.
Say hi, Grandma and Papa. I'm gonna see you on YouTube. That's right. YouTube. Grandma, watch my head get big and then small. Bigger and smaller and bigger. I'm saying hi. Who's feeding you? Is this
Just
Mama?
Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Eating suppies. Huh, Miranda's eating her suppies. After this, she gets sweet potatoes.
Here are those sweet potatoes. I think they're waiting over here for you. Oh, very good sweet potatoes. But back to what's subject at hand. Say hi, Grandma. Hi. Oh, is it delicious? What are you doing, Dad? What are you doing?
What? What's the matter? Yummy, yummy, yummies. That's very tasty, huh? What? You waving? You waving to Grandma and Papa? Whoops. Yummy, yummies. You did good.
Oh, come on.
Now it's time for the sweet potatoes. Huh? Who wants the sweet potatoes?
Ooh, is it good? I think it's good. Is it good? Tell me about it.
Yummy, yummy. She
This is
likes
good
it.
stuff, Mama.
Yeah.
Peekaboo. I see you. Blah, 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 blah. We'll put the camera on Mama's head. Look at that. It's Mama. This is like a head cam. See, everywhere Mama head goes to the left and the right, we get to see you.
Daddy's silly. Daddy's silly, huh? Ready? Yum, 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 yum.
Say bye-bye. 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 Yes? You gonna smile for everybody? Where are the smiles? I see them. Where are they?